Good morning, class. We were discussing about the partnership. Yesterday, we discussed about the meaning and characteristics of partnership. Today, we are going to discuss about the merits or advantages of partnership. So, what are the advantages of partnership? First is easy to form. It is very easy to form a partnership firm as no legal formalities are required to be completed. Even registration of the partnership is not compulsory according to Partnership Act. Clear? Just like we have seen the advantage of sole proprietorship, that easy to form, the same merit of the is of the partnership. If you don't want to get it registered, no need to get it registered. Okay. Second is balanced decision making. In partnership, the partner can divide the work according to their skill and knowledge. The division of work lead to specialization and efficiency in the management and other activities of the firm. Yes. It is also a very important advantage of partnership that the decision which is taken by the partner is balanced, because in partnership firm more than two partners are there, and every partner or every person has ability to do different work. So according to their ability, they divide the work and take the decision. This merit is not found in the sole proprietorship. After that, larger financial resources. In partnership firm, all the partners contribute some amount of capital. As a result, the financial resources of the partnership firm are larger than sole proprietorship firm or joint Hindu family. Yes, we know there are more than two partners, so every partner contributes some amount, while in sole tradership only one person contribute the amount. So when we compare it to the sole proprietorship, the capital which is collected is larger. Then risk sharing. In sole proprietorship firm, only one person has to bear the risk, whereas in partnership firm, all the partners share the risk in the same ratio as they share the profit. The sharing of risk motivate partner to undertake riskier project and earn more profit. Yes, more risk, more profit. So sharing of the risk motivate partner to take risky decisions. After that, secrecy. The partnership firm is not required to publish its account. Therefore, the affair of the partnership firms remain secret. On the other hand, all the activities of the partnership firm are carried on by the partners. Only they take all the major decisions, so there are no need or no chances of leakage of trade secrets. Now, some disadvantages are also there in the partnership firm. First disadvantage is unlimited liability. In previous classes, we all already discussed about it. So this is the most or biggest drawback of the partnership firm. Second one is limited resources. When we compare it to the company, then in partnership firm we have limited resources. Third is conflict. When more than 2% will be there, definitely there will be a chance of conflict. Lack of continuity. I told you earlier that in case of any of the partners death, insolvency or incapacity, the partnership firm gets dissolved. Okay. Then lack of public confidence. As we have read that it is not compulsory for the partnership firm to publish its account, so people generally do not trust in partnership firm. Okay, so these were some advantages and disadvantages of partnership firm. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.